So I have the 790 tachyon motherboard and with GSkill 7800 memory on the slot B. And I also have a scope here. Then you can see the new BIOS is X6T. Now the memory frequency is 9912. And you can see from the scope it's near 4.96. 49.6. Okay, now just do the buttons up. Just do the buttons, and the CPU is a 3900K water cool, and the GSkill memory you can see it's only air. So let's try these buttons. You can see the B clock is 88.7. 0.8. .98, 89, 89.3. So it's 10,000. So this is the scope. You should be able to see it's 5 gigahertz here. Okay, let's try more. So the B clock is 98.4, 89.5. Okay, just keep doing this, just slowly. So the B clock is 90 now. Okay, so B clock 90.4. The memory speed is around 10,100. 150. Okay, still there. So B clock 90.1, 91. Let's see the scope again. It's speed 5.1. Okay, you can see it's 5.1. Okay, it's just, let's try more. So the B clock is 91.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6. Okay, it's about that. This is freezing now. Okay, so it's just first try, and you can retry more times, maybe you can go higher. So last time I able to see is 10,380 something.